If you're looking to create custom workflow steps in Process.st, you're in the right place. Whether you're new to the software or want to fine-tune your processes, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear step-by-step guide to customizing your workflows like a pro. And the best part? You can try Process.st for free, plus get exclusive bonuses by using the link below. Let's dive straight into how you can create custom workflow steps in Process.st, a tool that is designed to simplify your processes and make them more efficient. The first thing you'll want to do is open your Process.st account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. You can start for free with the link in the description. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. From here, select the template or workflow that you'd like to customize. If you're just getting started, you can create a new one by clicking on New Template on the left-hand side of the screen. This will take you to a clean slate where you can add your own custom steps. Now, let's talk about how to create custom steps. When you're in the template editor, click on Add Step. This is where the magic happens. You can name your step anything you want. This could be as simple as send email or something more specific like review financial documents. It's important to think about what you want to achieve with each workflow step. Each step can be customized with different field types. For example, you can add checkboxes, text fields, drop-downs, or even file uploads. This is where Process.st stands out. You can adapt each workflow to your exact needs. Want to track progress? Use a checkbox. Need to capture additional details? Add a text field. These simple yet powerful features allow you to tailor your workflow to any task. But that's not all. Process.st lets you add conditional logic to your steps, which means you can control what happens based on previous actions. For example, if a task is marked as completed, you can set up a condition to automatically skip to the next step or trigger an email notification. This feature alone can save you a lot of time by eliminating manual tasks. You can also assign steps to specific team members. This is particularly helpful for keeping workflows organized and ensuring that tasks are assigned to the right person. Simply click on a step and you'll see an option to assign it to someone on your team. What if you need to collaborate with others on a step? No problem. Process.st allows you to leave comments so team members can ask questions or leave notes directly in the workflow. This keeps everything centralized and minimizes confusion. Let's say you have a complex workflow. Process.st makes it easy to break it down into manageable parts by adding subtasks to each step. This is helpful when a single step has multiple components, like reviewing a contract, getting approval, and sending an update. After you've created your custom workflow steps, don't forget to save your progress. You can save your template as a draft or publish it immediately, depending on your preference. One of the most powerful aspects of Process.st is its ability to automate workflows. With the premium plan, you can trigger actions like sending emails or creating tasks in other apps, all based on the steps you've set up. This feature integrates seamlessly with tools like Zapier, making it even easier to extend your workflows beyond Process.st. As we wrap up, remember that creating custom workflow steps in Process.st can really streamline your processes, whether you're managing projects, onboarding clients, or handling day-to-day tasks. It's all about building workflows that save you time, reduce errors, and increase efficiency. And just a reminder, you can try Process.st for free and get access to exclusive bonuses by using the link below. Plus, by signing up through that link, you'll get an extended free trial so you can test out all the advanced features. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials on how to make the most of Process.st, and don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial.